Are you ready to transform your health and give your liver the superhero treatment it deserves? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of traditional remedies and natural ingredients that aren't just good for you. They're a powerhouse for liver health. From delightful foods and refreshing drinks to extracts straight out of a health guru's handbook, we've got the secrets to supercharge your liver's detox abilities. And guess what? You're about to become privy to them all. If you find this journey through nature's pharmacy helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips and tricks. For centuries, traditional healers have turned to Mother Nature's pantry to heal and protect our bodies. And they were onto something big. Today, we're backing up those ancient wisdoms with science, highlighting everyday ingredients and special herbal concoctions loaded with liver-loving benefits. Take oak extract, for example. This natural wonder is the champion your liver cells need, aiding in regeneration and toxin removal like never before. Let's kick things off with a simple yet powerful recipe: healing oak decoction. Boil 100 g of oats in water, let it cool, and strain. Drinking this daily can significantly enhance your liver's health. But that's just the beginning. From the simplicity of oatmeal to the sweetness of honey, which eases liver disease symptoms, we've got a lineup of recipes designed to boost your liver health. And let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice known for its miraculous health benefits, including liver protection. Our turmeric and honey water, or turmeric cashew milk, are not just tasty, but are your liver's best friends. Then there's pumpkin syrup, a delicious and natural detoxifier, and garlic, a potent ingredient that strengthens immunity and aids liver function. Raisins might seem humble, but they pack a punch in detoxifying the liver. Soaking them overnight and incorporating them into your breakfast can work wonders. Olive oil, with its bile flow improvement capabilities, and beetroot juice, rich in antioxidants and minerals, are also stars in our liver health arsenal. And we can't forget about milk thistle, the natural protector of your liver, or the incredible healing powers of immortal herb and wormwood tincture for those seeking natural remedies. Our liver works tirelessly to combat the toxins we encounter every day. With the recipes and tips shared today, you can give it the support it needs to keep you feeling vibrant and healthy. These aren't just beneficial for your liver. They're a boon for your digestion, heart, immune system, and overall well-being. And the best part? They can complement conventional treatments for more serious liver issues, offering an extra layer of support. Remember, taking care of your liver means taking care of your entire body. So why not start incorporating these natural remedies into your routine? Let's make liver health a priority together. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into natural liver health boosters, hit that like button, subscribe for more health insights, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your journey to a healthier you starts today.